Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable dark mode on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Method 1. Using the Settings app. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down and select Display and Brightness. Choose Dark Mode. Under the Appearance section, you'll see two options, Light and Dark. Tap Dark to enable Dark Mode. Enable Automatic Mode. Optional. If you want your iPhone to automatically switch between light and dark modes based on the time of day, toggle on Automatic. Tap on Options to set a custom schedule or choose sunset to sunrise. Method 2. Using Control Center. Open Control Center. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen. For iPhones with the Home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Press and hold Brightness slider. Press and hold the brightness slider until more options appear. Tap Dark Mode. You'll see a Dark Mode button at the bottom left corner. Tap it to turn Dark Mode on or off instantly. Now your iPhone will be in Dark Mode, and apps that support it will adjust their appearance to match. That is everything you need to know about how to enable Dark Mode on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.